The internet is a colossal space that is loaded up with ways wherein you can procure cash by essentially simply having your very own PC and internet association. Everybody is discussing it, yet just a couple of know precisely how to win cash on the web, the correct way. The internet is available to everybody, so why not get a cut of the cash pie that it offers? You can take a gander at the data accessible online on the most proficient method to do this. Time and exertion must be applied for this to come into fulfillment. Individuals have this assumption that when you have a site, that will be the main time that you will procure cash on the web. False. Here we can reveal to you how to do it with no cash and site included. Once more, there are bunches of approaches to gain cash online with no site included. Here are a few. First is to do outsourcing work. This isn't selective to simply composing alone, yet different employments that are accessible, like visual computerization, composing resumes and so forth. The decisions you have are for all intents and purposes boundless, and on the off chance that you realize where to look, you will discover what fits you. On the off chance that you realize that you have the gifts and aptitudes to do online work, at that point offer yourself to individuals who need them. Age isn't an issue here, even youthful young people have exploited this and made cash out of this. As should be obvious, you needn't bother with a site for this specific undertaking. Not exclusively are you acquiring cash, you are improving your characteristic abilities en route as well. Another path is to sell your stuff on eBay. You needn't bother with a site for this, and you can make cash out of it by simply pursuing a record. On eBay, you can sell pretty much anything besides obviously the shrewd and the brilliant utilize research to comprehend what is the in thing being sold there now. There are even individuals who go looking for changed classical stores and carport deals to see standout things as sold at an awesome label cost on eBay. So in what manner will you realize what is hot on eBay at this moment? They have a device there named as What's Hot, and you can perceive what are the present top things. Be that as it may, don't restrain yourself to said things. Once more, you can sell your own stuff. Since eBay is so colossal and they need to help win cash progressively through the site, they offer instructional exercises that show you ways on the best way to expand benefits with your own items. In conclusion, you can fiddle into stock exchanging on the web. This can be extremely mind-boggling and thorough. In any case, in the event that you realize where to search for tips gave by specific sites, you will feel comfortable around here. Exchange stock and acquire benefits without building up your own site. For beginners, start little, and as you come, you will know more. For those with more experience, this is an extraordinary chance to arrive at more market. Click the link in the description for more information.